Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Painted Harvest, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our Big Shot, and I have my Big Shot platform, and then I have 10 tile, and I have a piece of Cajun Craze, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And it is a dynamic embossing folder, so you only need one plate. All right, look at that. I love that. All right, so we'll start with our stamping, and I have a piece of Very Vanilla, and this measures 2 1/2 by 3 3/4. And then from the Painted Harvest, we're going to be using the 2 flowers, and I am thankful for you, and your kindness means so much more than you will ever know. Okay, so first I'm going to come in with the Cajun Craze. Actually, I am going to come in with the Mango Melody. And I'm going to get the bigger flower, and that is on block D. I'm going to bring in my Stampin' Pierce mat. So just like that. Then I'm going to come in with the smaller piece of the flower. And let me line this up. And that's inked in the Cajun Craze. So just like that. And I'm going to use the I'm Thankful for You in Mango Melody. And that is on block C. All right, and I'm just going to put that aside. And then our card base is Mango Melody, and it measures 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and it's scored at 4 1/4. And we're going to get our other sentiment, and we're going to stamp that in the Cajun Craze. And we're just going to put that in the center of our card. And that is all the stamping we're doing, and we can put this card together. All right, so I have this braided linen trim, and I'm going to put it around here. I'm going to put it down with some Scotch tape first. And then I just want 3 lines around it. So just like that. Okay, and I'm going to put this down with some snail adhesive. And if it moves on you, you can straighten it up. So just like that. And then I have another piece of Mango Melody, and this is cut at 4 by 2 3/4. And we're just going to put our stamp piece on there. We'll center that. Now I'm going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals. All right, so here is a quick and simple card to let someone know you were thankful for them. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below.